Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your school community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a Zoom link into your school calendar event? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a Zoom link into your school community calendar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through Skool, you know that sometimes you're going to have weekly coaching calls or something of that nature. So you want to be sure to have the Zoom link available for your students. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your school community dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my school community dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a Zoom link into one of your calendar events, here on the top, you're going to click on calendar. Once you do that, go ahead and look for the calendar event. You can see right here, this one, and just click on the event. Once you do that, go ahead and click on this little pencil icon. Once you do that, here under location, you're going to change the location to Zoom. Once you click on Zoom, you're going to go ahead and enter your Zoom link here. Once you've entered in your Zoom link, you're going to click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now anybody who shows up to this calendar event in my school community is going to be able to click on the Zoom link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a Zoom link to your school community calendar event, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.